It's a donation video. What have they given me this time? Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another donation video. I was contacted by somebody on Freegal. Now I thought the Freegal sort of thing had gone ages ago. I'd got plenty of stuff, got the BBCs from Todd, I've got games and all sorts of stuff and bits and bats. Any donation gets put onto the scroll at the end of the video, so it's a good mention. It'll be in here. I'll play with it, I'll do something with it. If it's parts, you want to donate parts of something, fine. I've got a big bin of parts I could easily make something up of. John, he doesn't live far from me, got in touch with me on Freegal. I have got a couple of things that you might be interested in, and would you like them? I was like, well, yeah, of course I would. Anyone wants to get in touch with me, and then either if you're local to me, because I'm at Sheffield, then please get in touch. If not, then I don't mind paying the postage. Just wrap it up, I'll send the postage money to you, you can send it to me. Not an issue at all. If you want to do paid promotion, that's a different matter. Please get in touch. Right, he turned around and went, would you like this? Now I have in here, that is my keyboard. Brilliant, nice little keyboard, nice and compact, portable, the batteries last forever. And a wired mouse over here, but that's only because I'm bone idle. He says, I need to get rid of this. This isn't the main event, by the way. Do you want this? And I'm like, well, yeah, it looks nice. I've got a keyboard in the house, which is Logitech, which I think I did the videos earlier in the year for, but it's second hand, apparently. It's the English UK version, so perfect for me. It's full instructions of what to do and how to do it. So open her up. There she is. Now this is a completely wireless keyboard, very ergonomic, one of those real weird funky ones. 2 buttons with a space, yes, UK with the pound on there. It is quite thin. It does feel quite solid as well, and a nice rubbery sort of press to it. FN hot function button, okay. Also comes with a, this is weird, right? I'd have thought this might have been a stand for the back to hold it so it's not there but there, but it isn't. It's for the front, magnetizes in place, which is pretty cool, but actually makes it like that. So yeah, but maybe that is the whole thing, how to touch type. I'm not a touch typist. In this, I assume everything's magnets nowadays. It's really nice. I think if I can get into this, little flat screwdriver. There, takes 2 batteries, looks like they are AAA's. Done. Happy. It's really nice feeling keyboard. I might have that in here, because the one in the house is a gaming one, and the PC in there is a gaming PC. Also is the mouse, which also has a bit there, 2 batteries, and the USB dongle. That is for all 3 of these. Power switch on there, done. Lovely. Also, there's a keypad. I mean, that is really, really funky, having just a standard normal keypad. There's a battery inside there. It's not even being used. It's not even been took off. But that, I do miss that on this keyboard. For a number pad on there, yeah, I do like a numpad. But either you have it as a small, or you can do just calculations on its own. But that's an absolute, like I say, it says I've got to get rid of this. So I don't know whether he nicked it from work or what. Actually, to be honest, by his house, I don't think he has nicked it from work. I think he probably owns a work, because there's some people that are so generous, and I can't compete with them, because I don't have that sort of, yeah, money or whatever. So that's that. A nice ergonomic full desktop set. Thank you, John. Very, very appreciated. If that was all. Now, there's a box here, and I think I'm going to have to take the camera off of the stand and show you this unboxing from somewhere over there. Right, you're up on the bench. Here's the box. The problem with this is me getting the cardboard box out of the cardboard box. Alright, well. Excuse me, get there eventually. It's a tight fit. It's worth it. Hang on. There we go. It's not very often somebody gives me something like this, and this is quite a good one, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, an Apple iMac I don't have. I have an iPhone 3GS, and that's about as much Apple stuff as I've got. But yeah, comes boxed. Hello, comes with a cable. I mean, has that got? Yeah, spec, but it hasn't got anything untoward. Thing. It says it comes with a Magic Mouse, although I've already opened this and it doesn't. Cable. Comes with the box, the keyboard, and let's try and get this out. These are quite heavy. Right. More packing. So, here we have it. Oh! Ta-da! I mean, yeah. It's like, okay, CD drive on the side. Has it got a model spec number? I think it's a 508. I mean, these are nice, but you can't see it, I know. But I have tried it, it does work. The only thing that's a problem with it is it comes up with a question thing, which comes up with a question mark with a speech bubble. So I've had a look, it appears it might be the hard drive that's gone. Yeah, there you go. Packing's ridiculous. So with that in the background, trying to get myself out of the way, this nice little box here comes with a keyboard. Very nice, very thin. Batteries go in one side, power buttons on the other. That's quite nice indeed. And it says Magic Mouse, but it's actually this. So it's just a touchpad, which the whole thing clicks. So it's your actual feet, like your buttons then on the bottom. Okay, I don't think there's a mouse in here, although it does show something with a mouse, so I don't know why it's showing a mouse on the box when you don't get a mouse. I'm not bothered about getting a mouse, that's fine. That's absolutely brilliant. Designed by Apple in California. So I think the specs I've got in front of me here anyway. I think it's, I'm certain, according to this one here, it's MC508B/A. So it is, yeah, 508/A. It's compatible operating systems, Mac operating system, High Sierra. Tech specs is what should have. It's either a 3.6 or a 3.06 or a 3.2 i3 processor, or a 3.6 i5, which has got me a little bit weirded out because I don't have Apple. Why would Apple be Microsoft's closest competitor and use all their stuff with them? This is just a PC. Got 4 gig of DRAM, 2 gig SO DIMMs, yeah. So for it's Bluetooth, got speakers inside, obviously, but it's nice that somebody couldn't do something with it. I said you couldn't sell it, couldn't get rid of it. So if you want it, it's all yours. If you want to fix it up, there you go. And if you want to sell it on eBay, that's not what I do. If it doesn't work, I'll keep it as parts. If it does work, then we'll see what happens. But at the moment, that's absolutely brilliant, John. Brilliant. And let me get you the camera back onto the stand and try and see if I can film on the bench with that. Actually, I can show you a bit more around it as well. Well, I kind of hope that'll be a little bit better than that. But you can see, here's the screen, you can see there's a light there, which is, and then you can probably see, there I am, hello. So it's an Apple iMac. It is an old one. It's probably 2010, I think it is, so it's, at the moment it's 12-year-old. It might not be able to do certain things, it might be able to. The only problem I've got with it is right in this corner here, and I'll try and show you a little bit zoomed in without breaking the other corner, is there's a crack right there. That's a fingerprint, but there's a crack right there. But apparently this glass panel comes off by just, well, apparently it's held in with magnets, which I can probably have a go with now if I've got a sucker, which I don't think I have. I don't want to put a screwdriver under it and see if I can lift this off, because that would be silly. Because I lift up one corner, it might crack somewhere over here. But with looking at this, yes, it isn't working when I have plugged it in. It doesn't fully work. Like I said, the whole screen goes beige and then there's a question mark in the middle around a speech bubble. So it's fixable. It's something that I'll be doing on another video, trying to get it fixed. So we'll have a look inside, dig into, and yeah. I mean, on the side, I think we've got nothing on there. Speakers are on the bottom. Oh, I've got a camera on the front. Oh, I don't want to put glass down because it might break. Yes, I've got all the USBs on there, headphones, network, also nice little gubbins on there. I mean, to be honest, it's not in bad condition. Really isn't in bad condition. But it has got the drive on the side, I assume an SD card slot. Again, I'm not quite certain how to fix this or even how to film fixing this, because it is quite a big thing to have. But it's also really nice to have it as well. I know it's out of date, but then again, so am I. So yes. Oh, just found the power button. Yeah. So this is a big shout for everybody. If you want to donate something that's too big for your house and you want to give it me, please get in touch. The links are in the description below. I say I do look on Freegal and I look on other bits and bats, so it's nice to have something like this to see how things used to be. Granted, it probably won't work for nowadays systems. Well, at least nowadays processing or whatever you can do with an iMac. But yeah, there's a little scratch down the bottom of here which you can't see. Sorry. There, in that corner on this metal part. But yeah, this is really nice. This and the keyboards, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So this is a future project now for me to faff around with. And like I say, if you've got something like this you want to just get rid of, please get in touch. And yeah, 1, I'll do a video. 2, you'll be on the scroll at the end of the videos. And 3, it's just absolutely brilliant that people will still donate, especially nowadays. Everything's getting a little bit too tight. So yes, I understand. Yeah, money isn't as easy nowadays, especially in the UK, than what it was quite a few years ago. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Donate, please. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.